Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the machine, disconnect Wi-Fi and unplug Ethernet so the malware can't phone home. Once done, reveal hidden and protected OS files and disable auto-run to prevent reinfection. Then open an elevated command prompt as administrator. This gives you the privileges required to remove system entries. Next, identify infected drives and the $recycle. Bin folder with $/s. You're acting now to gather evidence and ensure subsequent removal commands will succeed without permission errors. With admin rights, navigate to the infected drive and use /shr to unhide and unlock malicious LNK and payload files so you can delete them. After that, run del/f/q for stubborn files and rmdir/s/q to remove directory trees like $recycle. Bin that contain corrupted entries. Windows will recreate the folder cleanly. Once manual cleanup is complete, run a full on-demand scan with an up-to-date antivirus and Malwarebytes to detect and quarantine remnants or registry changes. Finish by repairing system integrity. Run sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files, and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the image. To ensure a fresh recycle bin, either reboot or manually remove the drive's recycle bin GUID folders so Windows recreates them. Finally, verify with another full malware scan and restore any backed up user files. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode, repeat these steps, and restore critical data from a known clean backup to avoid reintroducing the infection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.